Hey guys, Monica AI is like having a personal assistant for all your tasks. Just sign in up and then set up your preferences and make Monica helps you organize everything from an add in your schedule to sending reminders and tracking goals. It's super intuitive and saves time as well. So we can focus on what really matters. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Monica AI. And the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into Monica. So I will show you how you can do that. You click over here and you type Monica and you will find here the first website. You click over it and you will find Monica AI. So we have it here, the homepage. So right now let's just know what is Monica first. Monica AI is like your personal digital assistant that helps you stay organized. It keeps track of your tasks, reminds you of important things, and helps you manage your schedule all in one place as well. So make your life a bit easier right now. So let's get started right now. I will show you how you can get started with this platform. Firstly, you have here the first way. You click over add to Chrome, it's free, and you will find it here on the Play Store. You click over add to Brave and you get started and you will find it here as you can see. Alright, we have the second way, which is this one. You have just to click over sign in the top right. So I already have an account, that's why it's up here like that. We have Mohan, we have also here my account, as you can see. You have just to click over sign in because it's your first time to join this platform, and then you'll find this page, which is this one. You have just to click over sign up for free above log in with Google. Then you'll find the page, which is this one. You have just to select here if you wanted the option of sign up with Google, sign up with email, sign up with Apple. I will select this one. So the one that I already selected. So also we have email address here, you add the password, the nickname, what should we call us all, and then you click over sign up and you'll find a page, which is this one, and this is the home page for getting started with this platform, which is Monica. The first thing that we will verify, which is the results and the answers that will give us. So for example here, let's just select in which platform AI is the best. ChatGPT, ChatGPT or Monica. Then here we have the answers. Let's wait for it. So we have here the benefits or the specific thing that provide ChatGPT offers a wide range of conversational abilities and can handle diverse topics, making it suitable for general inquiries, creative writing, and more. Monica here we have specifically designed to assist with tasks and provide structured. Sorry, I didn't know how to spell it. So structured responses focusing on clarity and helpfulness. All right, so this is the specific or the role of the ChatGPT and the role of Monica. And right now let's just here clicking over here we have a Monica. You select what you want for ChatGPT for all, and you ask, for example, how you can how can I prepare, for example, how can I prepare very quick in my exam in 3 steps, for example. All right, so we have it. We have here 3 quick steps to prepare effectively for your exam. Prioritize key topics, use active study techniques, practice time management, and you have just to ask whatever you want. Also we have here and that above, if one of the option for search, craft article, and we have chat with page or generate documents, generate, and we have also here all. You select the one you want, if you want to translate, and also we have the same in the left. We will discover each one. So let's just go to the post right now, and we have here recommended. So for example, for a writing agent provides text generation services to assist with various writing tasks. The workflow includes, we have also travel planner, website corporation, email generator, snap solver, bedtime stories for children. Then we have document assistant as well. So also we have here other niche such as modules, productivity, developer, education, product, marketing, design, research, and lifestyle as well. Then we have also the option of search. About this one, you can just here found various things about the case that it's rolling over in our our world, of course. For example, we have a new COVID-19 variant discovered, Nobel Prize winners 2023, impact of UAW strike on economy, latest on Israel-Hamas conflict. Then we have also what is called Rise. Google launches Gemini AI, Japan's population declines solutions, Saudi Arabia's oil production cuts. Then we have also here North Korea missile tests, so we can just ask whatever you want about search. Also we have here read, you can just upload here files from your computer, and or you can just here put enter your URL and you click over it and you read it. All right, we have also here write. All right, we have it also right, so that's funny. All right, and here we have compose, for example. We have write about, so it's select first length. We have format, as you can see. You can choose here from an email, message, comment, and we have also here tone, casual or friendly, professional, witty, funny format. About output language, you select here French or you select English and the one you want. Also we have here the option of reply, but this one you have just to put the original text to which you can or you want to reply, and you have generate content of your reply to the above text. Here we have hit Control plus enter to generate draft. Also we have here the option of translate. Here you select the language that you want and also the translation. It's gonna be on French, with French, sorry. And once you just search for one word and you click over here, and you'll find here the translation with 3 stars. If it's the same, so it's correct, and you will be sure that it's the right translation. Also we have here AI art. You can just here describe the picture, characters, scene, and you don't know the name, you have just to put it here and you'll find here the results are the image with the name. Also we have it toolkit. If you want to here start with PDF. Also we have AI resume scanner, PDF to Word, if you want to here convert your PDF to Word documents, PDF to GPT, and also we have a OCR PDF, AI resume checker, invoice scanner, PDF to PNG, PDF to PPT. Then we have also image tools, such as remove background, remove object, text, remove text, AI image generator, remove brushed area, change background, upscale, AI image animator, and also we have AI tools. But this one will find here AI content detector, analyze multiple sources of text and detect if it's AI generated text. Alright, also we have a memo, so we have what's in your mind, and we have here various things as you can see. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead. So you have just to follow the steps to achieve your dream and using this platform for your own business. All right, so you have just to click over here sign up, and then you have to add your email address and your password and also your nickname, or you can here add to Chrome. It's free, and you'll find on the page here. You click over add to Brave or use the second way that I mentioned. All right, so that's it for this video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed with this video and you learn more about or deeply about Monica. And that's it for this video, guys. See you again in the next video.